Welcome to the DIP-IFR Academy of Skill Advancement. Why artificial intelligence is not just a technological trend but the driving force that will redefine our career landscapes. Artificial intelligence, redefining career landscapes. In the digital age, the pace of technological progress has been nothing short of extraordinary. Among the host of technological advancements, artificial intelligence, AI, stands out as a crucial driver of change. Far from being just a technological trend or a hot topic in the IT world, AI has become a driving force that's redefining our career landscapes. AI, beyond automation and replacement. A common fear surrounding AI is that it's geared towards automation, potentially leading to job losses. While it's true that AI has the potential to automate certain tasks, it's essential to see the larger picture. The advent of AI doesn't simply equate to a reduction in human labor. It means a shift in the type of labor we perform and the skills that are in demand. AI technologies, like machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics, are tools that augment human capabilities. They allow us to work more efficiently, accurately, and to tackle complex problems at a scale that was previously unattainable. AI as a transformative force across industries. Across various sectors, be it healthcare, finance, retail, or manufacturing, AI is revolutionizing traditional operational processes. It's empowering healthcare professionals with more accurate diagnostic tools, enabling financial analysts to process vast amounts of data to make more informed decisions, and offering retailers personalized insights into consumer behavior. As AI transforms the operational landscape of these industries, it also shapes the job roles within them. New career opportunities are emerging in the form of data scientists, AI ethicists, machine learning engineers, and more. Adapting to an AI-influenced career landscape. To navigate the AI-influenced career landscape successfully, the workforce must adapt and evolve. Technical skills related to AI, such as data analysis and machine learning, are becoming more valuable. But equally important are soft skills like critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and the ability to learn continuously. These human-centric skills are ones that AI finds hard to replicate, and their importance in the workplace will only grow as AI becomes more prevalent. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is more than a technological trend. It's an engine of change, propelling us into a future that could look radically different from today. But with thoughtful planning, proactive learning, and a willingness to adapt, we can make this change a positive one. AI's impact on our career landscapes is profound and wide-reaching. Rather than viewing this as a threat, we can see it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and shape our careers in ways that were previously unimaginable. This is the true power of AI. It doesn't just automate, it innovates, it augments, and most importantly, it transforms. And in doing so, it sets us up for a future full of potential. Thanks for your time and efforts.